swear, I feel like I'm being punked. How could it possibly, like the screws are that big. How could this possibly be taking so long? You can't possibly be in there anymore. Oh my God. They're tiny. They're tiny. I don't understand. Bring it back. Okay. Get it back. Mother. Is it like corroded? I mean, it just turns and turns and turns. Why is it now stuck in there? I don't get it. I don't get it. Very sharp. More blood. Sweating. I'm getting hot and bothered. And not in a good way. What are you doing? What? I'm puzzled. I'm like this close to getting a hacksaw. Okay. What is your deal? You are just such an ornery little Yes, it's like supernatural. Okay. All right. Piece of cake. I don't get it. No, I don't. I don't get it. Oh, fucker.